Hey guys, can you solve 10 plus 5? And inside the parentheses 10 minus 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15 and 10 minus 5. Now 15, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now here is multiply, right? So 15 times 5 equals 75. But this is not correct answer. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first, then addition and subtraction from left to right. Solve again. 10 plus 5 and 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now here is multiply. So multiply first, multiplication and division from left to right. Then addition and subtraction from left to right. Now 10 plus 5 times 5 equals 25, right? And 10 plus 25 equals 35.